What's up, guys? I'm checking out David Gates Took the Last Train, requested by Music Man with Streamlabs. Big shout to you. Haven't heard this before. And yeah, that being said, let's check it out. Wait, hold up. Let it cook. This just already sounds like it's about to be super good. Yeah. Oh, a touch of jazz. There's a hair in my mouth.
The last train to Sancho Bay. Had in mind to dance the night away. Experimented with a cognac high. When in France you give everything a try. Soon the crowd dwindled down to two. Not a soul around but me and you. You just smiled in French and took my hand. Spoke the words, I tried my best to understand. You're telling me, viens chez moi ce soir. Va jamais terminer. On va rester toujours ensemble. You're telling me,
Oh, he actually knows. Wait, does he actually? I guess he does know what it means.
we will stay together always.
This is nice.
Woke the next day and found a note. Love you goodbye, that's all she wrote. Every night down at the place we met.
Check for the wallet.
Wait for her and those sweet words I can't forget. You're telling me, viens chez moi ce soir. Va jamais terminer. On va rester toujours ensemble. 'Cause I want you to come with me tonight. Will last forever. We will stay together always. I need you, baby. Need you, baby. And I took the last train. Saint-Tropez. 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 I took the last train.
Hey, like I said before, anything remotely, with a touch of jazz to it, I'm gonna end up enjoying. And yeah, this song was no different. And I really like the overall feel of this one. You know what I mean? About him, just being in love with this woman. And honestly, I feel like maybe he like interpreted what she was saying wrongly. Maybe she was saying something else, and he just, maybe he didn't understand French, but the way she said it made him think, what he said. So I don't know. I'm actually curious on that, like, because he actually said what she said in French, and then like supposedly translated it to English. But what if he just, heard something else and I don't know. Let me just see real quick. I'm actually curious. But yeah, this song was really nice. Definitely a real chill, just jazzy, I guess, pop rock song for sure. And yeah, I enjoyed it. Let me see lyrics. Let me pull it up so y'all can see them as well. Uh, so if this translates to this, we're good. Come to my house tonight, we'll never end. We will always say, oh, wait. Okay, so it is the exact same thing. But then woke the next day, found her note. Love you, goodbye. That's all she wrote. And every night down at the place we met, I wait for her in those sweet words I can't forget. Sheesh. Okay, then. She just said nope, dipped. Got the cash, all the cash out the wallet, credit cards, all of it. It's all gone, and just yep, on her way. But yeah, that was a good song though. I really enjoyed it actually, and yeah, if you guys enjoyed it as well, from David Gates, took the last train. Oh wait, took the last train. Wait, did she take the last train? Oh no, I think he did. Okay, yeah, he did. Okay. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed it, make sure you smack the like button, subscribe if you're new. That being said, much love, stay safe, and peace out.